Hey, deserving listeners. So recently I was asked by Dr. K of HealthyGamer to provide a 2-hour lecture on borderline personality. The lecture was just for members of HealthyGamer, and it was a live stream. And after recording the live stream, I thought it would be good to provide the live stream as a recording to my audio podcast audience, because in this episode, in this live stream, I am approaching the lecture assuming that a lot of the audience has never heard me talk about borderline before and might not know much about borderline and might have a lot of the stigma that that society usually has. So it's a unique approach to a lecture that I don't usually have on the audio podcast, because I assume that if people are listening to the audio podcast, most people have heard me talk about borderline a lot. So I thought it was interesting because it forced me to start from the beginning and present the fundamentals and the place upon which all knowledge and wisdom about borderline and also all personality disorders stand on, right? So I thought I would provide this recording for you, but it's just for patrons of the podcast. So if you want to listen to this and possibly watch it, I might be able to post the video on Patreon because it's a live stream. And if you want to get access to this, then become a patron on Patreon. Otherwise, please take care of yourself because you deserve it. You really, really do.